How to fix Roblox audio not working. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on some of the common bugs or glitches that happen with Roblox audio. So if you are having issues with your Roblox audio, what you can try to do is simply tap and hold on to the application icon and click on app info. And once you will do this, you will see the settings of your mobile device. Now from here, simply go to storage usage and click onto this clear cache button until it shows 0 byte. So once you have done that, try relaunching your Roblox application and check if that fixed the issue. If that does not fix the issue, simply click onto this force stop button and again click onto force stop and try reloading your Roblox application, and hopefully it might work. Even if that does not work, make sure that you remove all of the apps from your recent apps, and also check that there is no particular video call or voice call that is currently ongoing. So a best way to ensure that is to simply switch off your mobile device and reboot it. And once you will do that, hopefully your audio will be back. And even if that does not work, you can simply try uninstalling and reinstalling the Roblox, and hopefully it will fix your audio issue. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.